Let's see whether it have a hole at the back.
Hello guys, here, welcome back to my channel, the one and the only Chikwado Space. Guys, today I will be crocheting my hair. I have done doing the corn roll. You can see I did this corn roll an hour ago, and now I'm going to crochet it with this. Yeah, I got this crochet braid in Nigeria when I traveled, so I'll be rocking my normal braid and also my wigs since then. So today I decided to come and crochet this. I thought of coming to show you how I'm going to crochet it by myself. So my corn roll I've already done, and I have I want to put some oil. Before you crochet your hair, you need to use some oil to put on the lines of your scalp, or the lines of your hair or on your scalp, to prevent it from itching and dry scalp. So that is what I'm trying to do. So guys, what I'm trying to do now is the mousse. I want to use the mousse to let it lap very well before I can go on and crochet. Yeah, so, and I have here needle. After crocheting my hair, I need to use this needle to hold the hair together. Mostly what I put at the back, I will use this my needle to bring my hair, the back side, together. This is what I'm doing, and after that I have to tie it, secure it very well. I'm securing it like 2 times. Okay, then I'll go ahead to use my scissors to cut it. Then I cut it. Now I am good to go. So it's time to crochet, guys. This is 2 bundle. It's 1 bundle, but it's 2 in 1. Sorry. It is 2 in 1. Just remove it now, separated it now. So we are going to start with 1 here. I'll keep this one down. I'm going to use this. This is already made, already prepared for crocheting. You guys know now, this is normal hair you can get if you go to the shop center, wherever, even online or in Nigeria, you can get it. I got this. I love this color. This color is so bright. I like using brighter color too. I do my hair. So this is what I'm going to be using. My crochet needle. Look at it. So I will go ahead now to start from my side so that you can see it. You can start from your back. I can start from your back. So what I'm going to do is, when I put it there, I put the hook here and cover it and bring it out. Okay, when I bring it out, then I put this here to bring it to I secure it through the line, the hook here, that is opening here. I put it there and draw it back. So that is how I'm going to do all of them, guys. So like this, look at it. I've already started looking cool, guys. So I'll be doing this gradually until I am done. I'll do like few with you guys, then I'll go and do it off camera. Just look at what I am doing. Put this here, put the tail, secure it again, and bring it out through here. I hope you can see what I'm showing you. I know you can see it. So just like that. The hole, it has a hole, already made hole here. You have to use this crochet, put it, let it go through your hair. Okay, then open here, put here and secure it, bring it out. Yeah, if you like, you can as well use your hand to put it here. If it's that one is easier for you, use your hand to put it here, and then you draw it to secure it. So that is how I'm going to finish all of them, guys, and I'm going to come back and show you guys. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up. This is good for you to give me thumbs up, because if I go out to go and do this hair, no how, I'm not going to spend like €100 if they charge you less, or even if they charge you €50. That person loves you so much. That's why he decided to collect more money from you. So give me thumbs up, appreciate me. I appreciate your sister, the one and the only Chikwado Space. I appreciate us. Okay, guys, I like doing my hair myself sometimes whenever I am free. Do you know why? It helps me to master all these kind of techniques, understand, to help you to learn a lot of things. You know, before I don't do it by myself. When I was in Nigeria, hey, I don't do myself by myself for. But here in Germany, hey, life in Germany is not easy. Go now, they will tell you how much you're going to pay. It's not here. So let me allow you to watch to the end. I will put a background music for you to watch the video to the end. Don't forget to share, like. If you have any question, you drop, okay? And give me your, what do you think? Have you tried it by yourself before, or are you going to try it as you see me? Do you mind? So thank you so much for watching, and watch the rest of the video. So look at what we have gotten.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never.
So this is one pack remaining, this, and I still have this without opening it. I will finish this, and I have to open this and take some to make it full well, because I like it when it's full. I'll add this side more, and also at the back I have to close here. When I close, I will come to you to show you the outcome, guys.
Sleep never stop as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
So guys, just done crocheting. After all I done, I still remain this. I still have this. That means I use 1.5, remaining the half here. So this half we stay for next time. So let me show you the look. So beautiful. This is so easily man wear. You can wear it anyhow you like it, anywhere, anyhow. If you want to fold it maybe up like this, holding it up, you can as well hold it up. Yeah. Or if you want to leave it just like this, you can as well hold it that way. We choose to fling it this side ways. Yeah, you can as well do that, guys. So this is so beautiful. I really love this, guys. Oh my goodness. If you like to pack it, you can as well pack it. So for now, let it be this way. I really love this. I really enjoy this hair. So let me know what you think about this hair. Do you like it? My back is full, well full. You can't even see space. Can see it? So full, so full, 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 full. It's so full, guys. Loving it. I'm gonna rock it. So give me like. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah. Subscribe. Okay?